What's up?
I just need to say I'm so excited about our new RV purchase.
Yeah, me too. I think we have a lot to look forward to this summer.
I'm gonna watch some videos on the YouTube and basically see what items people are recommending, like what we should buy for when we hit the road.
You know what? That sounds awesome because I don't have any idea where to start, so get whatever you need.
That's awesome. I don't think it's gonna be that much, so we should be fine.
Okay. Hey, I'm home.
Oh, good! Our packages came in today.
Oh, seriously? Yeah, bring them out. I want to see them.
First thing I got is a water pressure regulator, and I don't know, everyone says you should have this, that it's gonna help you out, so I bought it, but I'll be right back. I'm gonna get everything else. Next couple of things I have, this is so awesome. I can't wait to show you this. I'm just gonna set that right here. You're gonna love what's in this box. More, so it's no more. It looks like a scarf. It's so great. In this video, we are going to talk about all the things you really don't need to buy before you hit the road with the RV life.
And if you've never been to our channel before, welcome to HappilyEverHanks. My name is Kyle.
My name is Renee.
And we are showing you exactly all the things you need or don't need before hitting the road.
Oh, that was good. There is so much content out there that tells you what you should buy or what you need to have before you hit the road.
Listen, we're taking it in the opposite direction, and we're showing you all the things you can hold off on buying before actually getting out on the road.
Yeah, vent covers.
Whoa, getting right into it here. We're talking about vent covers?
Yeah, those things that go over your vents to help protect it against rain, I guess.
When we first started, we were like, oh my goodness, we can't use the bathroom and vent out the bathroom without having exposure to the elements.
Oh, we were like, what if it rains and I'm cooking? We need to get vent covers. I mean, that was on our list, and we were shopping around for a while, but guess what?
We haven't used them or needed them once.
We've never even bought them.
It's been windy, we just shut them. If it's been raining, we crack them. I mean, these are all things you can just work around as you're out on the road.
Yes. It's not something that we feel you need to rush to the store and get on your RV before you hit the road.
Totally. Well, I know a huge one for me, now that you mentioned vent covers, is actually a backup camera.
Oh.
Knowing that I was gonna be the one towing, I'm like, I need something to look behind me at all times.
All the time.
But guess what? She's my second pair of eyes out on the road. Yeah. So we have never needed a backup camera. Yeah, I'm sure it's convenient to have one out on the road, but it's also a peace of mind knowing that I have someone behind me at all times, giving me that second pair of eyes, knowing that I'm not gonna hit anything.
And you know what makes you really want to get a backup camera? Because a lot of RVs, when you buy them, they are rigged for backup cameras. So in your mind, you're like,
I have to get one.
I gotta get one because it's rigged for a backup camera. How about a gray water tote?
Oh, yeah, that was actually a big one.
You know what I'm talking about?
I know exactly what you're talking about.
I always see them hanging off of people's ladders.
I was gonna be like, babe, we are gonna go boondocking and we're gonna need somewhere to put our gray water. We haven't really been boondocking much, have we?
No, we don't boondock much, but we boondock enough that we know our tanks have a capacity of holding a lot of water.
Yeah, absolutely. So we take that into account. We know when we need to dump, and if we are gonna boondock for a few nights, we know, hey, we'll go dump before we actually do. We'll fill up on water, and we can take it easy with the water usage and know that we do not need to make extra accommodations for getting rid of that holding gray water.
Yeah.
So hold off on the gray water tote for now until you know exactly what your plans are.
They're big, they're heavy. It looks like a big pain in the butt to get them strapped to the ladder.
I'm not gonna lie, it does, yeah.
If you are new to the RV life, and you think you need to have one of those, just hold off. Just wait and see it, because guess what? Just like everything else, you can buy it on the road.
You got your own totes underneath you above the tires.
Totes my goats.
Totes my goats. Woo! If you guys love what you're hearing, or you guys are getting some kind of clarification, or maybe you're just confused and you're like, I need a little bit more insight of what actually is going on here, hit the subscribe button, because we'll surely bring you some entertainment and some more fun things that you need to know about the RV life.
Don't feel bad, because we have messed up enough to make you feel better about yourself before jumping in.
That's what we tell ourselves every single day. Hit the like button for us and give us a little bit more
pizzazz.
Oh, I like that. On to the next one, though. I want to talk about a big one. And what I'm talking about is a generator.
Whoa. Whoa, there's gonna be a lot of comments about generators. I could see them piling up now.
We can only hope.
Before we hit the road, we were like, we have to have a generator. What if we are boondocking in a parking lot? We need a generator. We gotta have a generator.
Yeah, well, take it from us, we don't do a lot of boondocking. So we have come to realize that we don't need all that much of electricity. We got an onboard battery.
Now, there have been some instances where a generator would have been really nice for us. I mean, there's been times where we were dry camping for a couple days and our batteries were like,
yeah.
And we were like, be nice to have a generator right now. But do we use one all the time? No. Especially for you medical professionals that travel out there, if you are just going from home to your assignment and you're gonna be hooked up at an RV park most of the time,
yes,
you don't need to be lugging around a generator.
Absolutely. Additional weight, additional gas expenditures when you're filling up the generator and trying to run all your amenities. Guys, we're just talking simple basics. Give it a run without the generator, see if you need one or if you truly can live without one.
This next one's simple. A water splitter. You know, a way to hook multiple hoses up to one water source.
Yeah.
We just never got one. We never needed one. We never felt like we needed one. So that is it.
Anytime we need to change out the hoses, we'll just unhook one and go hook the other one up.
Actually, sometimes when you go to an RV park, they will have one already connected for you.
Absolutely. Yeah, for sure.
We've seen that a couple times.
All right, on to the next one. We're talking about an ice cooler. Yeah, we had one at the beginning, but guess what? We ended up getting rid of it. We never used it once. Like it was just taking up space.
I get it. A lot of people like having them outside and using them, but when you have a refrigerator that works in your RV, you really don't want to have to get ice all the time to have cold drinks outside. Just go inside the fridge and get a beer.
Yeah, and then also to touch on more of that is the underpass storage. You only have so much storage space when you're RV living. So we quickly found out that the cooler was huge and it was taking up a lot of that space that we actually needed. So bye-bye ice cooler.
We lugged it around for like 3 years and then finally gave it away to someone that actually needed one. We were like, please take this. We don't ever use it. Actually, we were storing our water hose in it.
Yeah, it was really unnecessary for us. So
just don't put it on your we have to have this list.
Yeah.
Put it on your maybe list. That's,
totally.
You know, that's what we're trying to say.
Check it off on the maybe.
Take it into consideration.
Yeah.
Hey, if you feel like any of these items we mentioned are very beneficial to you and you feel like you disagree with what we're saying, please put a comment below. We want to hear what you have to say.
Yeah.
We want to know if having any of these items has greatly affected you in a positive way or maybe a negative way. I want to hear from you.
Yeah, or give us a like or dislike. I don't know. Just show us something that you're like, yeah or no.
I'm gonna hit you with one that I see on Facebook posts all the time, especially right now, a washer and dryer.
Oh, you're talking about the big guns now, huh? Woo. That is the biggest, ultimate argument.
We went from a $5 splitter to a $1,000 washer dryer, whatever.
I see what you did there. It was a little drastic, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Guys, let us tell you, we used to own a house, we had the washer dryer, and that was one of our biggest concerns. When we got on the road, we're like, what are we gonna do for laundry?
Yeah, we didn't want to have to always depend on a laundromat.
No.
What if the RV park didn't have a washer dryer?
Absolutely. And we always know that RVs, a lot of them come with the washer dryer hookups, or at least prep for that. So we're like, do we need one? Do we not need one?
this is like the whole backup camera thing. You
Totally.
see it prepped and you're like, oh, well, I guess I should have a backup camera.
Gotta get it, right?
I guess it's a marketing thing for RVs.
Right. But seriously, we have never once needed it. We wanted it. But what we found out on the road is that so many RV parks have wonderful laundry facilities.
Also, if you're mooch docking, you can use your friend or family's washer dryer. I mean,
Totally.
There's always an opportunity for us to wash our clothes. I would hold off on the washer dryer if you are right in between and you are not sure if you really need one or not.
I mean, you're talking $1,500 plus to get these washer and dryers installed into your RV. And need I say how much weight they're gonna add to your towing. You're gonna talk about more fuel consumption when you're on the road, and the weight might just put you over that weight limit of your RV.
Wow, you went there.
Don't even.
Guys, don't stress before you hit the road about all the things you're going to need, because guess what? There are stores along the way, there are Walmarts, and the best part about us having Allstays Pro, which is our favorite app to have, if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description, but what it does is tell you about all the Walmarts there are along your route, and also RV stores, like RV dealerships, they all have these products, not to mention Amazon. There's just so much availability to you. You don't have to order all this stuff before you leave your home.
Exactly. But if you're getting closer to leaving and the snow's melting, which it's not here, and you're ready to hit the road, make sure you check out one of these videos right here, because we're showing you exactly what you need before you actually get out here and start living the RV life. We love you. It's HappilyEverHanks checking out.
Bye.
See you guys.